Demoing the Muscle Mixes Now app on an iPad Air 2 using the iOS operating system. This demo will go over the basic functionality of the Muscle Mixes Now app as it appears in the first version. So we're going to go into it right now. Get started right away. We're going to go into the app itself just by selecting it. The first screen you see is the landing page, and we're going to go ahead and push sign in here. This is where you log in. The login is generated off of our e-commerce system here, so whatever login was created to get you into your account on the e-commerce system is the same one that'll be here. Which takes you right to your home page. And if you're a member of the Muscle Mixes Now membership program, then you have all sorts of options here. The main three options being My Library, Create a Mix, and Pre-Mixed Albums, and you can see the same options at the frame at the bottom, including an additional option of tools. So let's just go right into My Library. You've got two sections of My Library. The upper section is purchased albums. So if you are a registered Muscle Mixes customer and you've purchased pre-mixed albums before, any of your purchases will be up there ready for download onto your device. Second section, My Created Mixes, is basically all the custom mixed albums that you've done, whether they have been downloaded or they're ready to play now. As you can see here, I have 7 separate mixes, and you can tell whether some of them are already downloaded and some of them have yet to be downloaded. So we'll just click into this one mix that I did. There are demo mixes I did. I'll click play now. This brings up the player screen, and at the top, my pre-mixed name is pretty basic. It's numeric, but at the top you'll see the name of your mix. On the left, down the left-hand side, you'll see a graphic along with the playlist of your particular mix and the song that it's currently on right now. At the bottom, you've got your play timeline as well as a rewind, pause, and play button and a fast forward button there. You can also tell how long the song is. Right now the song is at 0 minutes and 0 seconds and is a 4-minute and 45-second long song. In the center you have the tempo adjuster, which allows you to increase or decrease the beats per minute of the song. And you can do it a number of ways. You can grab the slider knob and drag it up or drag it down. And let's say that you're unhappy with your new beats per minute selection. You can just hit reset. It'll take you right back to the original beats per minute. You always use the up arrows and down arrows, which will slowly adjust your beats per minute up and down. Again, hit reset, brings you right back to the new beats per minute. Tempo lock and control lock will make it so that you cannot change the beats per minute. So in case you're in the middle of class doing a mix, you will not be able to accidentally adjust that. And that is the player. Just hit play. Pause. You can fast forward to the next song and fast forward to the last song. And that is the player. You can go ahead and hit back, or you can hit home at the bottom. I'll go ahead and hit home. So now you've seen My Player in the library. Let's go down and take a look at Create a Mix. What you will see here is the browse screen, and in the browse screen you can browse by song, artist, or genre. Genre will take you to a selection and it'll bring up all the genres that you have selected. Same thing with artists. Say if you like Ice Cube, it'll put up all the Ice Cube songs that are listed there. And then you've got the normal song browse, where you can just browse through the songs alphabetically. You can sample the song that you're interested in. You woke up in the morning with a mission but to move, so I make it harder. Don't hold back, 'cause you think
people do be cool, man, look smarter. Don't hold back. And you shouldn't even care about those whistles in the air and the crook stairs. Don't hold back. Cause there's a party over here, so you might as well be here where the people.
And for each one of the songs, you have 3 bits of information: the name of the song, the actual artist, or the original artist that actually played it, and the bass beats per minute of the song. And remember, you can change the beats per minute from bass. This is just the beats per minute that it was recorded in. Along the right-hand side, down the right, you'll see a number of plus signs in a green field. That is how you add the song to your mixing palette. So I'll just grab a couple of random ones here. Blind, Heart, and Cry. I'll just grab all 128 ones. And then Rather Be. We'll just grab 3 here for testing purposes. And then I'm going to select Make My Mix button at the bottom. Now, what you'll see here is the Make My Playlist screen, also known as the mixing palette. And there is a number of things you can do here. You can preview the song transition, small button under the song. If there is a transition between one song and another, you'll notice the last song there is no preview song transition because there's no song to transition to. The other thing you can do is you can select the sort field on the right hand side and drag the songs down to create whatever sort selection you would like. And then on the left, you can actually delete a song from the mixing palette. You can also at the top, you can add a gap. Let's say that you don't want your songs to be mixed together. Just select Add a Gap. And on the upper right-hand corner, you can change beats per minute, which will allow you to adjust the beats per minute of each one of your songs, or all of them. The song transition is a handy little feature because that way you can see whether 2 songs will mix together seamlessly or not. Now let's say that you're pleased with the beats per minute, the song transitions, and the sort selection that you have for your songs, and we can go ahead and create the final mix. Now remember, you don't have to do just 3 songs. You can do an infinite number of songs at this point. So I'm just going to select Mix It. And what that will do is that will allow me to name my playlist. And there you go. It's going to send the mix request now. And it brought me back to my library. I'm going to go ahead and hit home. Take a look at my library and see where my mix is right now. All right. So you can see the mix that I just did there. Scott's 171113, and it is processing right now. Mixes generally take from between 5 to 10 minutes to process, depending on the number of songs that are in your mix and how busy the server is. So it might take a little while to process. So we will wait for that to process, and then we'll see how it ended up sounding. All right, that was done processing. That didn't take too long, so I'm just going to go ahead and download it to our library. And what it's doing is it's downloading to be native right on this device. You can see the push notifications at the top. And let's hit play now and see how it sounds. And that is our express demo of the Muscle Mixes Now custom mixing app. Give us a call if you have any questions, and follow us on YouTube, as we'll have more demo videos coming up. Thanks for watching.